tournament. It's Jazz versus Flux. I'm here playing Railroad Riches. I'm going to put in $200, play $7.50 a spin and 10 cents enom. Let's see how it goes. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. These games are very loud. Yes, I can. So the point is to get 3 of these or 6 months. Coins, I guess, we're going to call them. Oh. You better be the 10 cents now. Oh.
Yeah!
It can also randomly trigger. Oh man, come on. Yeah. Woo! Right. One more, come on, one more. One more. Oh.
Yeah, every time.
$54. That was good. The lines are running really good if they line up. The golden train.
Railroad. Every time.
Come on, 6. Come on. Oh, I got something for wild. Come on. All right, that's good. That's good. Good. All right. $19. Everyone, coin. Come on. Come on. Our trigger phone.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. Woo!
Come on now.
Keep going. Keep going.
Woo! Oh, I got something special. Woo! I think I got the bonus. Come on now.
We're not done.
6 coins. 6 coins. All right. 3 spins. I'll take it. 3 spins are good. All right, so this is the free spin bonus. Fingers crossed it done well. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on, go well. Something good. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Are you going to use the coin? Yes. Yes, hold and spin. Yes. Yay. Excellent. A bonus inside of a bonus. Gotta love that.
Yeah!
All right, here we go. This is the whole feature. Woo! All right, so starting out with $38. These are all 10 cents each. Now I need to get arrows to open that up. There we go. That's something special. I don't know what it is though. Let's find out. A green train, what does that do? Oh, it does something special. I don't know what. Oh wow, okay. $2 and $2 and $6 and another $2 and $50 and $5 and $1. $64. That was great. Just for that one coin. Excellent. Oh, I love that. Let's see more of those. Come on.
We go!
All right, I'll take it.
We go!
Excellent. Come on, I need an arrow. I need an arrow. Come on, I need an arrow. Arrow. Yes, there we go. Now I got another one of those special trains. What do we got now? A blue one this time. What is that? Oh, it increases everything. Nice. All right, I like that. Keep going. Oh, I gotta get another arrow. There's 2 of them up there. All right, give me an arrow. Oh no. Keep it going. Save it. Oh no. Oh, that was sad. But it's okay. That was my first spin on my first spin. Awesome. $136 and we've got 6 to go. Oh, excellent. Oh, there we go. That's alright. Bonuses. Bonus wild. Alright, something. That wasn't great. They didn't really line up. Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Line them up this time. Line it up. Do something good. Alright. Excellent. There we go. $45. Alright, oh, come on. Line them up, line them up, line them up. Something good here. Alright, I'd like it to start dropping some more points. That would be great. Okay, line them up. Line them up. There we go. That's much better. Yes, there we go. Excellent. 127.50. Love it. Alright, come on, line them up. Line them up. Alright, alright. That was great. $42. So one more spin left. Let's see if we can get another holding spin. That'd be great. Alright, come on. Come on. Alright, wild in. Alright. Another $18.50. Hey, $385 because we cannot beat that on a bonus. That's great. That's the older spin and the spin. All in one. Excellent. This spin celebrates an awful lot. My voice hurts because I feel like I have to scowl over it. Awesome. That was great. Alright, very cool. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to bring you more videos just like this one. Bye for now.